In this video, we are going to look at how you can create discount codes for your store using Mozello. First, on the left side menu, click on the option Catalog. Then find the option Discounts and click on the button Create Discount. The window will open where you can add all the parameters for your discount. First, enter the discount code. Then select the type of discount you want, select money amount or percentages and enter the discount amount. If you want, you can set the minimum order amount for the discount to be available. You can also limit the discount usage amount by entering the number in usage limit field. Then you can select to what the discount code is applied to, select entire catalog, specific categories or specific products. Lastly, you can select the duration of the discount code if you want. Leave these fields blank if you want the discount code to be valid all the time. Once you're done, click on the button Save, and the discount code is ready to go and be handed out.